bigla. Ikaw nga, ikaw naman, patingin, anong inumin mo?
What is this? Cherry blossom.
Oh wow, look yummy. And yours?
It's a kasai Thai.
Oh,
AKA Mai Tai.
oh sorry. Ulit.
I said it's a kasai Thai, AKA Mai Tai. Mai Tai. Mai Tai.
Mai Tai also?
Yeah. This is good though.
Iharap mo nga sa akin. Hoy, sa akin mango, ano?
Sabi, ano ba sa'yo?
I don't know.
That was a mango.
It's a mango. The first
Mango
one.
frozen cocktail.
Yeah.
It's a mango frozen
Good.
cocktail.
What kay Ate LD?
Ate LV, just water. Just water.
Ang tagal ng water.
Ito na. Nasinggera yan. Ang galing.